Hello there. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video. And you clicked on this video because you want to learn a little bit more about fishing this fly right here, and that is a streamer fly. If this isn't part of your fly fishing game, it certainly needs to be, because there's just nothing more fun than feeling the tug of a big fish going after this particular streamer fly. Fish are predatory, right? When they see a smaller fish invading their space, they see the potential for a quick meal, and it might even be a defensive strike. But all the same, trout love going after these big streamers. But first, let's get the sling pack on and talk a little bit about my setup. So today I'm using a 6 weight. 4, 5, or 6 weight can work great for streamers. I'm using a 6 just because I've been looking forward to trying out the new FFD2 series at fishonrods.com. And you want to have a heavier leader. Anytime that you're throwing streamers, have a 3X or stronger tapered leader or tippet when you are using streamers. And the reason is because typically if they're going after streamers, they're not going to be leader shy. But most importantly, it's really easy to snap this off on a back cast if you're using super light tippet. This particular fly is weighted, it needs a stronger tippet, so I'm starting with 3X tippet, which is almost 10 pounds when fishing the streamer, so very important. The other thing I'm going to demonstrate are different ways to present the fly, right? You really want to work a particular section of the river in certain ways and in different ways to be able to hopefully elicit a strike. So my first cast, because it's one of my favorites, I'm going to cast upstream and kind of cross the river, and I'm going to really pull it back fast, right? I want to panic swim this streamer down and hopefully elicit a strike. And then I'm going to go straight across the river and kind of do the same. And then my next few series of casts are going to be across the river, but I'm just going to let it swing, and I'm not going to give much action at all to the fly. And then finally, I'm going to throw it more downstream and kind of race it back. So you want to really work a hole differently in different ways to try to get that trout to come up and eat this streamer.
Oh, there we go. That's a good fish. Oh, big fish. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, God, yeah. Come on, get in the net. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that fish. Oh. Wow, that is a beautiful fish. Wow, beaut. Whew.
So let's talk about what I targeted there. I had just a feeling that the big fish could be in this section of the river. You got fast current that drops off the edge. You got a lot of rocks. You got a lot of back current. There's a lot of places for fish to hide in this section. Now, I'm using a floating line, but a very heavily weighted Scopezilla. So I actually used the current that was right in front of me to help pull the fly down and get it deep. And sure enough, right on the swing, right, it was almost like an upstream, downstream swing to where the bend of the line was going way downstream and the fly was upstream. So the presentation of the fly, right, it started to swing and then started to swim downstream deep because my line's being pulled down by the current that's right up in the front. And sure enough, the fish hit it right in that zone. So look for that kind of structure when you're fishing streams. And if you've got multiple currents, use those to your advantage to help suck the line down to get a little deeper, so you might be able to find a fish like that beautiful West Slope cutthroat.
This looks good up here. You can kind of see how the river rushes up here, and then kind of there's a shelf, drops off and slows down. That could be really good fish holding water. Run my big old streamer through here. See what happens. See if I can catch just the edge so this kind of falls off. Oh, another grab. There we go. Oh, you didn't like that. Dude, he's jumped up on the bank. Oh my God. Wow. This guy literally jumped up on the bank. That's crazy. He's got some hops. Nice little rainbow. So, something in there big enough to break me off. Oh, what's that? Is that a fish? Oh my God. Kobe! Oh! Big fish! Kobe, this thing's like 18, 19 inches. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Oh, holy shit. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Look at the size of this fish. Holy shit. Oh my God. This thing is 4 pounds. I mean, fish on. Fish on. Oh my God. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, that's a good fish too. Oh, not a lot of room. Oh man, it's a heavy fish. Oh my God. That is a sizable fish. Oh my God, another bull shark. I gotta keep him in the water. Oh my God. That was complete chaos. Come on, chill. Oh, he's all wrapped up. Fortunately, with barbless hooks, it appears that my hook is already out. Wow. Look at this guy. That is a beautiful fish.
And if you're new to this sport, consider joining my club. If you do, I'm gonna send you a whole bunch of stuff that I put together to help you catch more fish the next time you're on your favorite stream. I go over flies, how to find trout, just a lot of techniques to better your chances when you're out there fly fishing to catch fish. Because after all, that's why we're out here, right? Well, one of the reasons anyway.